Bitcoin is right now breaking out towards the upside, but guys, do not get trapped at this current moment. We need to be talking about that exactly. Bitcoin is touching a major level of resistance right now. We need to be talking about that and much more in this update video. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, the stock market is finally breaking back bullish again with this insanely bullish candle towards the upside over here. This is looking great, and instantly after the stock market breaking bullish, well, Bitcoin is right now also trying to be breaking out towards the upside. So I definitely want to be starting off with saying that this is starting to look very good, especially for the stock market. This is just looking like another higher low over here, and that we are going to be at least testing this level of resistance again. So in that case, for the stock market, that is going to be looking very good. I also definitely do think that Bitcoin is poised to go even higher, but for that short term, for the Bitcoin price action, well, it is touching a major level of resistance at this current level, and we are still having that CME gap sitting down below. Now, right now, many people are talking about the CME gap down below us, so I do not think it has all too much relevance anymore, but I definitely still do see the scenario of us actually coming down below to be filling up that CME gap. But I'm still going to be playing it like this. I still see two scenarios incoming for Bitcoin. Either we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance, and then for sure we have confirmed our bottom, or well, if we are still going to be getting a rejection, in that case I'm definitely still going to be expecting that CME gap down below us is going to be getting filled up. But of course, that scenario is going to be giving us maximum opportunity in the market with this potential bullish divergence then being created. That would definitely be the perfect opportunity in the market. So let's see if that is still going to be happening. Let's see if we are still going to be getting rejection, because quite honestly, the markets are starting to look very bullish at this current moment. First of all, this chart is already very interesting. Each and every single month we have started off in the green, or we have ended the month in the red. And this very interesting pattern tends to be repeating every single month. On the 5th, we tend to be seeing this reversal of starting off in a bullish month, then ending off in a bearish month. Right here, starting off in a bearish month, ending off in a bullish month. Right here, starting off in a bearish month, ending off in a bullish month. Right here, right now, this month, we have started off in a bearish month, so we might just be ending it off in a bullish month. Every single month on the 5th, each and every single time, this reversal has been getting initiated, and this month, once again, we have started it off as a bearish month, and this month, on the 5th exactly, we have started to reverse back towards the upside. So we could be ending off this month of September in actually a bullish month, given this history, which is quite honestly repeating very accurately. Now, honestly, do keep in mind that usually September has been kind of a bearish month. Most of the months in September have been bearish, so I'm not too sure about this exactly, but honestly, it is very interesting to be having a look into what's. Anyways, Bitcoin bouncing off from a major level of support over here, having a look into what's this falling wedge. This is going to be an insane opportunity coming up for Bitcoin. If we are going to be seeing this breakout over here, that's definitely going to be another amazing trade we can be making. And yes, if we are going to be having a look into what's that daily time frame right here, we might have just confirmed another like slightly higher low. It's really slightly a higher low over here. It's maybe even an equal low, but definitely this is going to be bullish for the market structure of Bitcoin, because we are seeing a shift in trend. Each and every single time we have been creating lower lows, and right now we are finally shifting the trend with maybe right here an equal low, or yeah, a slightly higher low. So definitely, if you are going to be seeing a shift in trend right here, we might be having a look into what's a double bottom getting formed over here, and that's definitely going to be very bullish for the Bitcoin price action. That's ultimately going to be leading in towards a very bullish breakout. So let's have a look at how this is going to be developing. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look into what's our metrics right now, definitely a huge move is going to be inevitable for Bitcoin. A lot of liquidity is piling up on both sides, on both the upside, but also towards the downside. So definitely right there, this breakout in that short term could be a big breakout we are right now getting. Anyways, if we're going to be having a look into some Bitcoin funding rates, they are still negative, which is going to be extremely bullish for the Bitcoin price action. Over on Binance, they are negative. Over on OKX, they are negative. Over on DYDX, they are still negative. Over on BitGet, they are still negative. So this is looking very good for the Bitcoin market. Majority of the Bitcoin market is right now trying to short, which is causing the majority of the liquidity to still pile up on that top side, which is ultimately driving up the Bitcoin price even higher. So yes, guys, I would not say we are completely out of the woods yet. We are still testing a major level of resistance, and I would not get too bullish as long as we're not going to be breaking above. Definitely do still be a little bit careful and do be still a little bit cautious. But if we are going to be breaking above, that's going to be ultimately looking very good for the markets. Markets are starting to shape up nicely anyways. Everyone has been talking about that 40k level getting reached. Of course, everyone has been flipping bearish, but I've been saying it just like right here. Everyone was waiting for the 30k. We did not reach that 30k. Right here, everyone was waiting for the 20k. We did not reach the 20k. Right here, everyone was waiting for the 12k, and we did not reach that 12k. We just left everyone behind each and every single time. Right now, I do think we are going to be doing the same exact thing. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now with that short-term price action going on, definitely huge opportunities are right now coming with also this falling wedge pattern breakout imminent anytime soon. Guys, make sure to check out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now be claiming a $500 free trade, which is going to be absolutely insane. Make sure to be checking it out. With that first link down below, you only have 6 days left to be claiming this airdrop position, so that is going to be insane. Do this within this current time period. Click on that first link down below, sign up a new account over on Bybit, complete KYC level 1, and there you go. You can be getting this $500 free trade, and also on top of that, a $40,000 deposit bonus. So that is going to be insane. Make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, on that larger time frame for Bitcoin, we are still just consolidating. The longer we are going to be consolidating over here, eventually the more explosive and the bigger the breakout will eventually be. Also from off this bull flag pattern, it is looking very good. Actually, if we're just going to be zooming out on that larger time frame, guys, honestly, this pattern right now here being created is starting to shape up very, very nicely. Ethereum is also starting to bounce off ever so slightly towards the upside, but a lot less than Bitcoin is doing. Ethereum is a lot weaker currently than Bitcoin, but yeah, Ethereum has actually already been forming this bullish divergence over here. So on the daily time frame, I'm definitely going to be expecting a bigger bounce for Ethereum anytime soon. Ethereum is showing a lot of strength right here with this daily bullish divergence. So yeah, strength might be incoming, but right now Ethereum is still a little bit weaker. Anyways, Kamala Harris is right now leading the polls against Trump, so should we be worried about this? Well, in my opinion, not really. There's still so much time left for Trump to be leading the polls again. I do think that eventually it will be alright and it will be okay. Anyways, Q4 is going to be insane. I do think that Bitcoin is going to be performing extremely well in Q4, especially in the halving years. We always see that Q4 is the best time period. So are you prepared? That is going to be the question. We have seen one of the largest capitulation events right here. This hash ribbon flashing a buy signal, definitely looking very good during this consolidation over here. Guys, I think we're about to go parabolic. Are you prepared? That's going to be the question. But anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.